Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable CC and BCC in email section in ninjaform in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in ninjaform. On top you see email and action, so click on it, and then you see email confirmation, email notification, and then you see action setting icon, so click on it. So we are in email confirmation and scroll down, you see advanced. So in advanced you don't see any CC and BCC field, so we are going to enable it. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see ninja forms and then you see settings, so click on it. Now setting open and scroll down, you see form builder div mode, enable this option and then click on save setting. Now setting saved, go to form builder again and refresh the page. And then on top you see email and action, so click on it, and then you see email confirmation notification, so click on email confirmation and then scroll down in advanced, expand it, and then you see BCC and CC, so you can add emails. Then you see email notification, so click on setting icon and scroll down, you see in advanced CC and BCC field also. If you want, you can select tags from ninjaform, so click on it, and then you see we are using these tag name, email, message, so it's up to you. Now remove. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.